So inside here are the 6 frames I pulled out of the hive today. It's my first honey harvesting, and I had a shallow super on top of 2 other supers, and this is what the frames look like when they have capped ripe honey. This frame weighs a ton, so I don't know, I'm thinking maybe 5 pounds. Here's some, the bees will build into any bee space that's open in the hive, so these are just cells that they started building on their own, just pure wax. So I'm gonna put these frames into the centrifuge, and out will come some honey. Organic honey. Dun, 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 dun. All done.